Hello once again and welcome back to the channel. On this episode we travel to Clifty Falls State Park in Madison, Indiana. We are traveling about an hour after we get off work. So when we get there we're going to be sitting up in the dark. The next morning plans were to head to the Clifty Inn. It overlooks Old Madison and the Ohio River. It has a really beautiful view. It is a gorgeous inn. We ate breakfast there. We had the buffet breakfast at the inn. Everything was delicious, of course. Very beautiful place to overlook the river and enjoy your coffee and breakfast. After we had breakfast at the inn, we headed into downtown Madison in the historic district, hashtag Old Madison. When we went into Old Madison, we hit the riverfront first, which was pretty cool. We got to see the riverfront. It's where they have the historic Madison Regatta, and that might be something that we put on the bucket list in the future. After we left the riverfront, we went up to West Main Street. Main Street is a strip that has all the shops and foodie places that you can imagine. It's a very historic town that they have brought back to life with really neat shops. Some of the places that we stopped at on our shopping spree was Fountain Alley Body Care. They have homemade soaps of every variety that you can imagine. And then we went past Mcwiggins Wonder Emporium. We just had to stop in and we was just too curious not to pass the door up. It's unlike any place you've ever seen. They've got all kinds of unique items in that general store basically. We also went to Coca Safari Chocolates. If you're a chocoholic like me, I highly recommend this place. Everything was delicious. They have a lot of homemade items in there that they make right there in the store. You can't beat homemade truffles. They're just great. After leaving there, we went back towards the riverfront to the Lanthier Winery. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The Lanthier Winery was hosting the Festival of Trees through December. You pull up and there are Christmas lights everywhere. All over every inch of that place there are Christmas lights. And when you walk into the winery, there are Christmas trees from wall to wall to the ceiling. There's hundreds of trees in this place. I hope the footage does it good. It is just a beautiful place. We had a real good time. It was a great place to visit. After we left the winery, we went back to camp and settled in for the evening. The next day was kind of a washout. We didn't get any footage because of the rain. After hanging out most of the day in the rain, we just decided to pack up and head back home. We're definitely going to head back to Madison. I wish that we had done this earlier in the season, in the summertime when it was warmer. It was still fun in the fall season. In the off season it probably wasn't as packed or as busy, but we're definitely going to go back in the summertime when it's a lot warmer and we can stay a little bit longer. We might do like a 4-day there where we can visit and experience more of Madison. It's just a really cool historic river town, and that's where I work, on the river, so it was very interesting to me to visit that historic river town. We're definitely going to go back for a future video and maybe we can get some more footage on Madison there.
Driving that truck. That's a bad guy.
Yeah.
What makes you think he's bad? He's in a white truck. White's good, right?
You wanna go try the swings? I hope you enjoyed what we did get. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And thank you once again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and get out there and get busy living.